Affiliate marketing is something every e-commerce brand should be taking advantage of. And I've personally used it to make millions for my e-commerce brand, Eric Javits. So today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get started with affiliate marketing, what tools to use, and how to use different forms of affiliate marketing to make a ton of money for your brand. Let's dive into it. First, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when a person promotes your products on different platforms, and in return, you give them a percentage of the sales. For example, if you own a fashion store like I do, you might agree to a partnership with a fashion blog website or a well-known individual. You and the blog owner would create a unique affiliate link that takes the customer to your product page. By tracking the number of conversions, the blog gets a percentage of sales, which motivates them to drive more customers to your store. This is one of the best ways to increase traffic on your e-commerce store and generates massive revenues and sales. Here is how to get started. Getting into affiliate marketing is pretty straightforward. Several online platforms like Rakuten, CJ, Impact, PartnerStack, and so on offer affiliate marketing options to e-commerce brands. For my brand, Eric Javits, I use Rakuten. So we'll talk about that. Rakuten Advertising is the most incredible platform for affiliate marketing because it offers a diverse range of publishers, a clean user interface, and most importantly, it tracks everything for you. It also lists down all the publishers you're working with and shows their performance in graphs, giving you a clear idea of which publishers are working the best for you and which of them could be bringing better results. An important thing to note here is that Rakuten itself is not an app for affiliate marketing. It only offers you access to publishers whom you can contact and make deals for affiliate marketing of your product. But this in itself is a great advantage because you won't have to find publishers that are related to your products individually. It has all kinds of publishers, so it does not matter if you are a fashion seller, a tech seller, or have products of any kind. You can find a list of suitable publishers such as blogs, loyalty rewards websites, discount offers websites, and much more. Once you have identified and jotted down a list of publishers, the next step is to pitch them your product and what you're offering in exchange of them publishing your products on their platform. My brand, Eric Javits, is working with several different publishers like Amex, Afterpay, Discount Code, and a ton of others. The commission percentages vary from publisher to publisher, and obviously, the bigger the publisher, who get hundreds of thousands of readers on their platform, charge usually more. So the way forward is to pitch your product to the publishers. Give them an idea of what percentage you're willing to pay them in exchange for their service. And you continue doing this with as many publishers as you want. It all depends on the size of your e-commerce business and how big of a percentage you can feasibly take out of your product price to pay to the publisher as a commission. I pay anywhere between 5% and 25%, depending on how much traffic a publisher has, and so far, it's working great for me. In just 1 month, I made north of $133,000 in sales, and I paid less than $6,000 in commission. The insane thing is that this was a 157% increase over the last year's affiliate marketing numbers for my brand, Eric Javits. These numbers show that affiliate marketing does wonders, and when you do the cost-benefit analysis, you're not paying a lot for the return you're getting. So talking from my experience, affiliate marketing is something that every e-commerce brand should get into if they want to make it big. Another crucial thing is that these commission structures are to be paid on a monthly basis, or it could be sometimes a one-time thing. This entirely depends on what kind of contract you negotiate with the publisher. This is important to remember because you're going to be paying the publisher and you don't want to get into any trouble there. Hence, always make the payment method and schedules clear. By the way, keep in mind that Rakuten is not the only app that you can use. Several other platforms offer the same service, like CJ, Impact. However, I use Rakuten personally, so I know that it works great. Now I know Rakuten is a relatively expensive platform, charging at least $500 or more per month. Moreover, they only accept e-commerce brands that are bigger. Since my brand qualifies for it, I use it and I find it easier than the other platforms. But this does not mean that you must also use Rakuten to find and contact publishers. Other platforms work great too. So if you're a beginner or your store is relatively new, you might not be able to use Rakuten or CJ, but many other platforms that are still available for you. However, for big stores willing to pay for Rakuten, it's one of the best investments because it yields excellent results. After you sign up as an advertiser in Rakuten, CJ, or other affiliate marketing platforms, the next step is to create a network. You want to create a network of your best performing affiliates because those have the potential to drive your sales. For example, as a fashion seller, you can target fashion blogs, diverse content website, cashback apps, buy now, pay later apps like Afterpay, and other similar platforms. The basic idea is to either market your product to customers who are on the internet looking for fashion advice and learning about the latest fashion trends, or to customers who are looking to get a great deal on products. This approach allows you to market your product to a vast array of potential customers, and ultimately the sales will start to come in. So fashion blogs and content creating websites are a must, but shopping aggregators are also equally important. Shopping aggregators usually have multiple stores integrated into their app, and they offer discounts on products. Discounts are a great way of getting customers because everyone loves getting a deal on any product they purchase. Therefore, getting into affiliate marketing with several platforms is a must because the more you push your product on the internet, the more sales you generate. Just imagine creating a network of sites that are talking about your brand. Once this is done, your affiliate marketing strategy is set and you're ready to move on to the next level. Now you can start getting into the different programs that Rakuten itself offers, for example. A great way to track customers who use credit cards is through the Rakuten Card Linked Offer Network, also known as CLO. The CLO network basically works with different bank cards and offers discount on your products. For example, the Rakuten CLO works with Amex cards, meaning that if you get on this network and create an affiliate link, your product will be marketed to all Amex card users in the US. They also work with multiple other banks and cards, so it's a great way to promote your product to wealthy people who have credit cards and will potentially buy your products. I mean, only people with serious money have Amex cards, so it wouldn't hurt to market your products to them. All of this is what Rakuten offers, and if your e-commerce store is eligible to be accepted into Rakuten, my suggestions is that get it done as quickly as possible. It's a great investment, and if you're not ready to dig out $500, you can use other platforms. Regardless of what platform you choose, affiliate marketing is essential to your business. Talking about essentials, influencer marketing is also a great way to generate sales. It is the most commonly used method of affiliate marketing today. Anyway, going with the flow does work sometimes. And because influencer marketing yields results, I also use it for my brand, Eric Javits. However, I do it a little differently than others, and I'm going to tell you how. Most brands and e-commerce stores usually reach out to the most common influencers they see on Instagram, Snapchat, or Facebook, and they pitch them their product and send PR packages. That's the old school method of asking influencers to promote your products, and while it may work, it does not yield the desired results. So, how do we get the best possible result and generate massive sales from influencer marketing? This is where the LTK platform comes in. And the LTK is the greatest app for getting access to influencers in the fashion space because it onboards a ton of them. You can select the categories of influencers that are associated with your products, and that way you know that you're sending your products to people who have the following of customers who are interested in products like yours. LTK is very strong in the fashion space. For example, if you run a clothing brand for women, sending PR packages to beauty influencers will not work. Finding the right influencer is a hectic task, but LTK makes it easier for you. I use this platform personally for my brand, and I have seen some incredibly great results. On LTK, you can check out the impressions, reach, and results from the affiliate links of fashion influencers or whatever influencers you have contacted and hired to promote your product. It's directly connected to your Rakuten too. So every click made, my visitors or customers is tracked, giving you a complete insight of what the trends are and what products or influencers are working the best for your e-commerce store. And that's it. You have platforms like Rakuten to reach out to publishers, create a network of those that work the best for your brand, create affiliate links, and basically market your products to the masses by paying commissions. Additionally, there are various other ways to market the products. If you are interested in discovering the tools and platforms that can help you promote your products effectively, take a look at this video I created. It covers the top 10 tools I used to generate 2.5 million in revenue in just 1 month.